Have you ever accidentally deleted important files and emptied the recycle bin? In this video, I'm going to show you a built-in Windows feature that saves your data without installing any third-party software. Let's get started. First, go to your Start menu and search for Create a Restore Point. Open the Control Panel option that appears. In the System Properties window, look at your available drives. You need to enable protection for the drives where you store your data. Select a drive like Local Disk C or your secondary partition D and click Configure. Make sure to check Turn on a System Protection. You can adjust the slider to allocate specific space for backups. Usually 5 to 10% is enough. Click Apply and OK. Once protection is on, Windows will create backups automatically, but let's create one manually right now to secure our current files. Click the Create button. Give your restore point a name, usually use the current date, and click Create. Windows is now taking a snapshot of your file system. Once it says the restore point was created successfully, you are safe. Now let's test it. I am opening my new volume D drive. As you can see, I have a lot of important folders here. I'm going to select all of them and permanently delete them. Now, if you check the drive, it is completely empty. The files are gone. Don't panic. Here's how to get them back. Go to this PC, right-click on the drive where the files were deleted, in this case, Drive D, and select Properties. Navigate to the tab called Previous Versions. Because we created that restore point earlier, you will see a folder version listed here with a timestamp. Select it and click Open. A new window opens showing your drive exactly as it was before you deleted the files. All my folders are here and safe. You can now copy and paste these files back to your main drive. Make sure to enable this setting on your computer today to save yourself from future data loss. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.